J&J is a place to come to get those lifetime cow makers like this set of striped Braford females. And if you want a truly good set of cows that have got the bone, thickness, and that deep, soggy look, then this group is a great place to start. Good striped Brafords can be hard to get your hands on, and for good reason. They've made proven mamas for generations. Come out and hand select the cattle you will own for decades. That's right, we let you pick them like you want, so get in contact with me today.